welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm gonna be trying out two TikTok makeup hacks, basically eyeshadow hacks. These seemed pretty interesting, okay? And honestly, I'm skeptical, but I'm super excited to try this out. So I really like these TikTok hacks and I'm gonna see if these hacks actually work. So I'm just gonna be reviewing two eyeshadow hacks that I found on TikTok, basically Instagram Reels, because TikTok is not in India. So I'm just gonna be quickly testing it out and hopefully, I really hope these hacks work because honestly they looked so cool. And yeah, some things on TikTok are really cool, I must say. So I really hope this works. So with that, let's get right into the video. I make content related to makeup, fashion, skincare, DIYs and challenges, and in case you're interested in any of this stuff, please make sure you subscribe to my channel and click the bell icon next to it so that you'll be notified whenever I upload a video. With that, let's get right into the video. Okay, so the first hack that I saw was this eyeshadow hack where the crumple a tissue paper and use it to apply the eyeshadows. So I'm skeptical, but that looked super cool, guys. So I just want to give it a try. I'm gonna take this part of the tissue paper. I'm gonna take a little bit of eyeshadow and stamp. Oh my. Look at that. Next. Okay, so as you can see that it does get a little messy. I mean, we can't blame the hack. So this is what I ended up with. Honestly, my expectations were so high. To finish off, I'm gonna be applying my eyeliner. Not gonna lie, guys, I had a lot of hopes on this, but it all went in vain. I didn't like this. Okay, not gonna lie, I kind of like this eye more than this eye. I think this eye kind of looks good. I mean, I can't wear it out, okay, but if I have a costume party, it does look good. Did you realize that I forgot what shades I had worn here and this eye is completely different? Can't blame me. I have no clue why am I doing my eyeliner, because anyways, just in a minute I'm gonna take this off. Try the second hack. But I kind of wanna know if it's worth it. Now that I've completed the look, I'm sorry to say, but I didn't like it. I mean, my expectations were so high. I had set the bar so high because it looked so cool. The overall look is, no, I don't like it. This one is kind of quirky. It's not really everyday wear type, but the second one is actually for people that gradient effect on their eyes but don't know much about makeup. So this hack is pretty useful. I really think this is gonna work. My hopes are really high. So let's see if this hack is gonna work. I'm gonna take a darker shade of eyeshadow over here and then it keeps getting light. So you kind of get the gradient effect, which is what we generally do with makeup, except we take our time blending it and then building the product. So let's see if this hack is worth a try. Okay, so like that. Next, I'm gonna be taking this pumpkin shade from this palette and I'm gonna be applying it next to the brown. Next, I'm gonna be taking this silver shade from here and I'm gonna be putting it here, and this pink shade from here, and these two are shimmers. Applying it here and this pink shade from here. Okay, so this is how it looks. Now I'm gonna be blending it out. Okay, honestly, I like it. I mean, it's not bad. Obviously, I can't expect the best because after all, it is a hack. I'm not putting so much of time and effort into it, but I guess it's a good hack. I'm definitely gonna give it another try. I actually like this. I'm gonna rate the first hack a 5 on 10, I guess. So I think I would wear it if I had a costume party or something. And this hack, I'm gonna give it a 7 on 10. I mean, yeah, I haven't put so much of time and effort into doing my makeup, and yet it doesn't look that bad. Although you might want to make sure you finish off with your eyeliner. Videos don't show the eyeliner part, but I would definitely recommend an eyeliner. So yeah, finish off with an eyeliner. Let's do that. So yeah, this is the final look and I really like it. Oh yeah, if you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Also hit the bell icon next to it so that you'll be notified, and not to mention, please participate in the giveaway. If you don't already know, there's a giveaway going on in the channel and I would really appreciate you all participating. And yeah, I'll see you all super soon with another video. Until then, bye!